Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can redeem a gift card on Poshmark. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Poshmark app and tap on login, and make sure to add your username and email and password correctly and tap on login. If you don't remember, you can tap on forget password and you can reset it again. Once you're signed in, you're going to be going into the account tab of your app. Once you've gone to the account tab, you're going to scroll down and select the gift cards option listed over there. Once you've selected gift cards, go ahead, tap on this option of redeem gift card option. As soon as you do that, you will find the section where you'll have to enter the code, which will be normally be 6-digit card number and 4-digit PIN, and that will be listed on your gift card. If you have received it physically, then you can find the card number over here. You can also receive it digitally, but anyways, check out the digit number, add in the 16-digit gift card where it has asked, and the 4-digit PIN afterwards. Once you have confirmed and once it has been redeemed, the gift card balance can be used to make purchases on the Poshmark website. Gift cards cannot be returned or refunded afterwards, so be careful when you use it. And then once it has been redeemed, go ahead, check out, go ahead, buy things, and you can pay with the gift card amount. That is how easy it is. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.